What's up, guys? What's going on? Today I will talk about the next price target of Bitcoin, my brother. But remember, if you are new my channel, subscribe and join Telegram group for future trading signal. If you want quality signal, then must join my Telegram group, guys. Link is in the description. Get free signals. You can see here this time, my brothers, the Bitcoin breakdown is here. This is a clear breakdown, and of course, my brother, you can see here it was struggling very badly, and we are actually right now also short Bitcoin. So definitely we are in very good profit now, my brother, because you can see here the momentum. So of course it was in downtrend, and of course we will win this trade. So I strongly recommend you, if you are in short side in Bitcoin, you are safe. Otherwise, if you are in long side, you are in very high risk. The volume, you can see here the market cap and the volume. Just check out, the volume was decreasing in last 24 hour, but the market cap was decreasing 0.34%, but the volume, market cap is decreasing and the volume is 23% increasing. Seriously, it is too much, my friends. Difficult to understand Bitcoin right now, because the moment very fastly it was from 30k, it was already reach out, but it is a fake pump just to liquidate, my brother, the traders and exchanges. But remember, my brother, if you take a short position right now, you are safe. This time the bearish chances is too much than my brother's bullish. So I strongly recommend you to take a short position and get a crazy profit from Bitcoin. See you next time, guys.